Hello my lovelies, and welcome to this week's episode. Finally it's happened to me. I'm driving a Q8. Woo! Finally, I've had my eye on this big girl for a while. I have. Just come from the gym. She's just entered my rental fleet and she's going out today, and I thought I need to get a quick video done before she does. It's my first time driving this car. The Q7, the latest Q7, I drove quite a bit because I was with Audi when that car came out, so I was at the release, launch and all of this kind of stuff, and I've loved this car since it came out a couple of years now, and then of course they've just built on it, so the Urus has come out and the RS Q8, and they're all using the same kind of shape, right? The Cayenne Coupe, oh, there's one of my rental cars too. There's the Cayenne Coupe, there's loads of cars that are based on this same chassis, and I just love her. I think out of all of them, obviously value for money, the Audi's the best, and that RS Q8, God, I just can't wait to get my hands on one of them, and I will soon because there's a couple of them floating around here, and I need to get my hands on one ASAP. But for now, I'm happy with just driving this one. She feels, if you were to not tell me what the car is, not let me see the outside, and I was just to get in, if it wasn't for the screens on the center console, I would have just thought it was a Q7. It feels very, very similar to the latest Q7. So it feels light and the steering's responsive, everything's responsive. The brakes are great, acceleration's great. I mean, the brakes are surprisingly good for how big she is, right? Full of technology, as you would expect. This is just the normal S-Line, so it's nothing overly special, but she goes. I haven't driven a diesel in a minute, and there's no diesel lag. I mean, she's just... And that's in normal comfort mode. As you guys know, I always tend to drive the cars in just normal comfort. All of it's familiar to me, even though I haven't driven an Audi of this generation yet with the double tactile screens, touch screens. Even though I've never driven one before, it was just all really easy. So I got in the car, my client speaks English, so I've changed the menu from Spanish over to English, and I was just checking the service schedule and stuff, and it was just there, user friendly. I love it. I love the screen. I love the dash. It's got this piano black gloss all the way across. Full sunroof. Hello! Hello to anyone in the back. Can you hear me? I feel like you need a walkie-talkie to speak to whoever's in the back, because she's a big girl. Comfortable family car without looking like a tank is how I would sum her up. Is she expensive? Yes, in comparison to, I don't know, something the same size but an inferior range. But if you compare her to, you know, X6 and whatnot, what would be the comparison in Mercedes? I can't keep up. G L something? E Coupe? Don't know if that's a thing, just made it up. My business partner will be very disappointed because I keep getting the Mercedes all muddled up. But they all bloody look the same. And they're all called the same, I just get all confused. Anyway, I'm loving it all. We've got the virtual dash still, so I can see everything that's going on, and I can personalise it just by pressing the view button. The map goes from a more reduced size where the dials are bigger, or you press it again and then it swaps around. I don't know anything about fuel consumption on this car apart from what you guys can read online. I need to go and fill her up now, but I won't be driving her myself. Like I said, she's going out for rent today. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, I love it. Would I buy one myself? No, because I'm short and because I have no children or family. It makes me sound so sad, doesn't it? I'm not sad about it though, just so you know. loads of technology. This one also has the heads-up display, so I can see, and that's personalized too, so you can put whatever data you want on there apart from the speed that you're doing. This one has the side assist and the lane assist, and on the massive wing mirrors, they're huge, massive wing mirrors, you've got the little lights on the inside which tell you if there's something in your blind spot. But I must say, blind spot, I haven't located one yet, which is great, or bad. If I think there isn't one, there is. No, but it's all very big and wide and open. Unlike in the A-pillars aren't interfering with me looking at anything at any point. And yeah, it just all works. It's Audi. You know, I'm never going to slag an Audi off because I love them all. No matter the size, I love them all. And on that note, I need to pee so bad. So I'm going to... I need to pee. I need to go. I need to go. Thank you guys for watching. There's lots planned, lots going on. And I shall see you all very, very soon. Bye.